हरियाणा का इलेक्शन देखें तो कांग्रेस पार्टी और बीजेपी के बीच में तकरीबन 22,000 वोट का फर्क था टोटल स्टेट में। एक असेंबली में इन्होंने 1 लाख वोट चोरी किए। तो आप इमेजिन कीजिए, स्केल समझिए। एक असेंबली में तकरीबन 12 से 15% वोट इन्होंने मैन्युफैक्चर कर दिया। तो अगर चुनाव में 2-3%, 4% की मार्जिन चल रही है तो वो तो गया, राइट। और हमने ऐसा पैटर्न आइडेंटिफाई किया है देश में, जहां पे एक सीट पे धड़ाके से बीजेपी स्वीप करती है या 2 सीटों पे धड़ाके से स्वीप करती है। बाकी सीट में नेचुरल कंपटीशन चल रहा है और फिर सडनली एक सीट में जैसे यहां हुआ स्वीप हो जाती है और पूरा चुनाव चला जाता है। आखिरी बात, नरेंद्र मोदी 25 लोकसभा सीट के कारण प्रधानमंत्री हैं। हमें इलेक्शन कमीशन यह डेटा इसलिए नहीं दे रहा है क्योंकि अगर हमने जो यहां महादपुरम में किया, अगर हम इसे बाकी लोकसभाओं में करा देंगे तो देश की डेमोक्रेसी की, लोकतंत्र की सच्चाई बाहर आ जाएगी। ये अब एविडेंस है, ये क्रिमिनल एविडेंस है। और इलेक्शन कमीशन देश में पूरे एविडेंस को डिस्ट्रॉय करने की सोच रहा है। मैंने जैसे कहा 21वीं सदी है, एक हार्ड ड्राइव पे आप पूरा डेटा रख सकते हो, 100 साल 200 साल का डेटा रख सकते हो, जितना रखना है रख दो। मगर इलेक्शन कमीशन 45 दिन में सीसीटीवी को खत्म करना चाह रहा है, वोटर लिस्ट नहीं दे रहा है। तो दे आर कल्यूडिंग विद द बीजेपी, दे आर हेल्पिंग द बीजेपी डिस्ट्रॉय द इलेक्शन सिस्टम इन इंडिया। अब आपके कोई सवाल हो? वे डुप्लीकेट वोटर्स, one voter appearing multiple times on the voter list, fake and invalid addresses, voters who didn't have addresses or were just fake addresses, bulk voters in single address, one building, 50 people, 60 people, one bedroom house, but we go there, no 50 people living there. No record of those people ever having living there. One family living in that house. Invalid photos, photos which you simply cannot see or no photos existing of theirs on the polling list. And then the most interesting, misuse of Form 6. Form 6 is the form that allows new voters to become voters. So generally Form 6 is anyone who's 18 and above but hasn't voted in the last election. So they should be between 18 and 22, 23 years old. And so now we're going to go into the details and we're going to show you how this was done. Here is duplicate voter. There are 11,965 voters of this type. This is a gentleman called Gurkirat Singh Dang. Here he is. Can you zoom in? Gurkirat Singh Dang appears once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, in 4 different polling booths in the constituency. He is the same name, the same address, the same person, 4 different polling booths. And this is not just one person, this is thousands of people in one assembly. Second example, same voter voting in multiple polling booths in Karnataka in the assembly and also voting in Uttar Pradesh, voting in Lucknow, voting in Varanasi. Zoom in, no, show the name. This is the gentleman called Aditya Srivastava. ऊपर जाओ, just zoom out for a second. Yeah, just zoom into the top two there. He votes in booth number 458, same person. He votes again in booth number 459, same person. Go down. And then this gentleman goes, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. So he's got his name on 4 lists, different states, different polling booths. And I remind you, this is not an individual. There are thousands and thousands of these people that we found. Duplicate voters was what, 11,000? So there are 11,000 people who are voting 3 times, 4 times, multiple times. Right? Okay, now let's go to, okay, here is the list of duplicate voters. These are all the people who have voted multiple times in Karnataka. That's the names, that's their addresses, that's the polling booths where they register to vote. Okay? Next, fake addresses. Zoom in. House number 0. No, you're laughing. There are thousands and thousands of these people. No address, house number 0. House number 0, house number 0. 0. House number 0. Father's name, ILSDHFHUG. थोड़े और फादर्स नेम दिखाओ, ये बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग नाम है इनके. DFOIGOIDF फादर्स नेम. नहीं, आप हंस रहे हो भैया, पूरा सिस्टम उड़ा दिया है, चोरी हो रही है. अभी तो शुरुआत की है हमने, और दिखाइए. अच्छा, थोड़ा जूम आउट कीजिए. नाउ these are of 3 types. Either an address that doesn't exist, you go look for it, it's not there. Or the address is 0, house number 0 or street number 0. Or then the address cannot be verified. These are 40,000 voters. Okay? Next, here is house number 35. 80 voters live in this house. We sent people to check. They got beaten up. These 80 people live in this house. It's a single story, single room house. Here's another one. Booth number 366. थोड़ा इसमें zoom in करो. 46 voters, all from different families, living in a single bedroom house. And when we go there, they don't exist. Zoom out. So that's a single bedroom, 46 voters living there. Same thing there, 80 voters living there. No sign of their existence. When we go there, we're threatened. Our people go there, they're threatened. Take video, they're threatened.